We do have a group of shoes that come in straight from Ma Maniére. Hey, what's up, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, going to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got that what?
Weekly
That
heat.
weekly meet, baby. That
Yes,
weekly meet.
yes,
So these are
sir.
the holiday shoes that are coming out from the 23rd of March to the 29th of March. I'm gonna go ahead and start off. So this is the collection. Unfortunately, we do have a group of shoes that come in straight from Ma Maniére. Now, unfortunately, these will be only releasing on the Ma Maniére website at this time. Only time will tell if they will actually release at a later date on the sneakers app. But until then, this is what we got. So make sure you click that bell for notifications so we can update you with all the sneaker news you need. So moving on, the first shoe on March the 29th, we do have the Ma Maniére. This is the Air Force One called the For Love. This does come at a price point of $190. Predominantly, the shoe is all black. It does see that murdered out that you want to put these on to go stomp on someone's head. But what I like about this shoe is that it'd be sweet, it's swoosh on the side. It does have a chrome outline on it, which really makes the shoe pop. And as we can see at the bottom of the shoe, we do have that Ma Maniére branding. I do think that's a nice touch. Overall, this shoe is very plain because they didn't do too much to the shoe. It does have the Air Force One metal tag on the tongue, as all the Air Force Ones have. Looking at the back of the shoe, we do see on one of the shoes, they does feature that A for Ma Maniére on the back. Move around to the tongue. I don't see any Ma Maniére branding on the tongue. However, I do see Nike patch that is done in leather. What's different about this shoe is totally done up in all black leather, and even the laces are black. Doesn't really have a lot of pop. It's really a slick shoe. I think this is a good shoe for the winter. I'm not sure why they chose to drop this here in the springtime. And let me know your thoughts down in the comments, sneakerheads. I'll be rocking these just because it is a collaboration, and I do like Ma Maniére. What do you think about these, my brother?
You know what? I will be rocking those as well. I am a fan of the A Maniére collab with Jordan Brand, so I'm really supporting what they're doing here. So I will be rocking those. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or drop.
Yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
So on the same day, like my bro mentioned, this is a collection piece coming in 3 sets of shoes. They do have the Air Jordan 3 diffused blue. Price point for those are going for $225. I'm really liking this shoe, but I really don't understand why they dropped this shoe in the spring. They went away from the elephant print, but then they went ahead and incorporated suede, right? So you went away from the elephant print, but then you go incorporate suede in the spring. Really? I really don't get that, where Jordan Brand and A Maniére were going with this, but it is a clean shoe. That suede you can find on the mud guard on the heel, right? I'm really not digging the suede, right? But I am liking the shoe itself because what it represents, right? On the left heel tab, you will find the phrase, "All we have is each other." And then on that right heel tab, you have the statement, "You need to get comfortable walking alone." So I'm really liking that independence, that independence where they're going with the shoe. I will be rocking those. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. But I also like how they incorporated that logo, right? The A Maniére logo on the tongue. So I'm really liking that. But I just really don't understand where they were going with the suede, right? So drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. What about you, my brother?
So I'll be rocking these as well. Unfortunately, I won't be copping these because the last 8 Maniére did perform on the retail. However, my size 10 is hovering around $425 right now on StockX. However, I don't see these shoes doing well because lately all the past Maniére shoes have been performing on the retail. I mean, I picked up another pair, which will have another unboxing. I'm piling up shoes over here without doing any video. Sorry about that, sneakerheads, but I did scoop up another pair for like $167, which is way under retail. As you know, this does have a higher elevated price of $225, and then because they're shipping directly from I'm a Maniére. I'm a Maniére will be charging you an extra $15 for shipping. So out the door here in North Carolina, I'm looking at $247, and then only to see these depreciate and get them on StockX for $167. So I'm gonna wait to pull the trigger on these. However, like I said, if you want these, they would only be coming out on the I'm a Maniére website. Again, I am rocking these and wish you the best of luck if you want these sneakerheads. So moving on to the next shoe on March 29th. Again, all these are coming out on the same day. The raffle is open for all these shoes right now on the I'm a Maniére website. So this one is the Air Max 95. This does come at a price point of $150. Again, the theme for this one is for love. And what I like about this shoe is it does feature pretty much the same colorways as before in that tonal, goes kind of like from a light to a dark. However, this one appears to be predominantly the shoe is black instead of that light brown. So I do think this colorway is a little bit better than the first Air Max 95, which dropped earlier this year. This shoe does feature that looks like a plum for the midsole, and then it does radiant hit in those tones that we normally see from the first one. It looks like a dark burgundy, gray, kind of like plum again, and another gray back into a maroon. I'm looking at the shoelaces, do something different, which is kind of like they use gray, which kind of brings the gray back from the side of the shoe. We do see that Nike swoosh on the side. And like the first one, we do see that A in the back of the heel for I'm a Maniére. Overall, if you like the Air Max 95s, I do think that this is a nice shoe to cop. Because as you know, I'm a Maniére does quality work in my opinion, and you can't go wrong with these. The first pair is going up like $10 above retail price, so I expect these to perform the same, but who knows, these may perform on the retail. Like I said, all the I'm a Maniéres that released last year are performing under the retail, and even the Jordan 4. So if you're looking to flip these, I recommend personals only here for all these shoes in this collection. Let me know down in the comments, are you rocking these or dropping these? But as for me, I'm rocking these. What do you think about these, my brother?
You know what? I'm rocking those as well. I really like it's a clean shoe, so I will be rocking those. But drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir.
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.